pasok ko na.
Walang pasok ngayon, boss? Okay. Babawiin ko na po yung 1,000 kasi wala ka pong pasok.
And I could use this another time.
Ngayon lang yung 1,000 na yan, sorry. Meron akong good news sa'yo. Ano nangyari sa boses mo?
I lost my voice.
Wow. Baon mo bukas sa school. Yes!
This is 1,000 eh.
Kaya nga, baon mo po. Ba't parang gulat na gulat ka?
I'm gonna baon this for a whole month.
Hindi pa. Dapat isang araw lang ubus bukas.
Huh?
Ubusin mo kaagad. Ayoko nang tipirin mo yan, okay?
How?
Basta ubusin mo, okay?
I'm gonna live with my friends.
Wala, let's go. Excited ka sa school?
I don't know.
Wait mo ako. Come on. Go. May pasok.
Ay, wala. Wala pong pasok ko na.
Walang pasok ngayon, boss? Okay.
I told you there's no school, bro. Why did I have to get ready?
Akala ko may school ka, sorry.
Are you kidding me? I have to dress up.
Sorry, akala ko talaga may school ka. Sorry, are you sad?
No. No. I just got humiliated.
Ano?
I just got humiliated.
Humiliated? Ano?
God.
Ano?
There's no school.
Are you mad?
My voice just got worse. What in the world?
Wala, akin na ulit yan.
No, Daddy, nakakahiya. Wait, pagbaba natin, sabi ng guard, wala po pasok.
Oh.
I was shaking.
Wala, hindi ko din naman alam. Parehas tayong
What do
nag-
you mean hindi mo alam? Sabi mo pa nga sa bahay, nakachat mo sila teacher.
Okay, sorry. Oh, akin.
You wasted all of my time.
Oh, give my 1,000.
Do you know what
Wala,
I
babawiin.
have to dress up?
Wala, wait lang. Before you talk, babawiin ko na po yung 1,000 kasi wala ka pong pasok.
And I can use this another time.
No, no other time. Ngayon lang yung 1,000 na yan, sorry.
Why?
Kasi for today lang yung 1,000 na yan, babawiin ko na yung baon. Sorry, give your money.
Kuya, you're so kuripot. You wasted my time. You know what? I deserve that money. You should pay me.
Wow! Social ka, girl! Ba't kita
Of
babayaran?
course. Because you wasted my time.
Sorry. Sorry, anak.
No.
Are you mad?
Yes, sino naman hindi magagalit if weekdays mo yung special time nila, ha?
At least na-prank kita. It's a prank!